In my first video I told about the CPU. Okay, CPU, what is that? CPU, central processing unit, in which you will be having three different units. One is control unit, next one is arithmetic logic unit, and third one is your memory. Okay, now this control unit will control all the transactions between the input output from the memory to access the data. Everything is being controlled by the control unit. ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic means plus minus into divide, whatever be the calculations being done in our program, that is being done by the arithmetic logic unit. And next one is the memory. Memory, and that day also I told, memory is of two types. One is primary memory and second one is your secondary memory. Okay, primary memory is known as temporary memory. Secondary memory is known as your permanent memory. Okay, so primary memory, this is this memory is having data for a short period of time. Until and unless you will not save it, it is stored in the primary memory. As you save the file, it comes to your secondary memory. Okay, so if the current is off, अगर current चला जाता है while we are writing, while we are typing, or whatever we are doing, at that time the data which is being stored in the primary memory is being washed off. Okay, now example for primary memory is RAM, random access memory. This is your random access memory. Random access memory means this is a temporary memory, or we can say it as a primary memory, and it works for a very short period of time. Next one is your memory is read-only memory. Read-only memory means the instructions as we switch on the system, some instructions are being displayed on the screen. Everyone see. If you have not noticed, please see. Okay, that data or the instructions which are being displayed as we start switching on our system, that is known, switching on the system is known as booting process. Okay, so when we boot our system, right, some instructions or data is being displayed on the screen. That data is permanently stored in ROM, read only memory. Okay, that is permanently stored. You can never change that instructions. Whatever written on read-only memory, we can't change the data over there. Okay, so we are having two types of memory unit. One is RAM, another one is ROM, right? Unit of memory is nibble. Okay, the smallest unit is a nibble. One byte equals to 8 bits, you all know, and one nibble equals to, or we can say one bit equals to 4 nibble, right? So 1 byte equals to 8 bit, 1 kilobyte equals to 1024 bytes, then 1 megabyte equals to 1024 kilobytes, and so on. The maximum in our mobiles also we are seeing the tetrabyte is there. Okay, terabyte, sorry. Now up to that the maximum is GOP, byte, GEOP byte. Okay, which is equals to your 1024 Bronto bytes. 1024 Bronto bytes. We all know terabyte. Beyond that, 1 GeoByte equals to 1024 Bronto bytes. It is having a very huge memory. Okay.